Hi everyone, in another video by MTech Pro. Exactly 1 month ago, we showed, supposedly, real-life photos of a cancelled LG G7. Shortly after that, it was reported that the photos actually depicted a G7 model that LG should launch, eventually. Now we're seeing a bunch of new renders that seemingly show the upcoming flagship smartphone from multiple angles. Revealed by Mr. Phone and add-on leaks, these new LG G7 renders present a device that matches the one seen in the live photos. The phone definitely has a notch and a display that occupies most of its front side. This display could measure 6 inches. The back of the LG G7 hosts a dual camera with LED flash and laser autofocus, plus a fingerprint scanner. And there's a 3.5mm headset jack at the bottom. Reportedly, the LG G7 measures roughly 153.2 x 71.9 x 8.2mm, thus it's going to be a bit taller and thicker than last year's LG G6, which measures 148.9 x 71.9 x 7.9mm. The new handset should be powered by Qualcomm's high-end Snapdragon 845 processor, further offering up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage space. It's said that LG is planning to release the G7 in May. The smartphone could come with a software trick that allows user to hide its notch if they don't want to see it, and it looks like many people really don't. Note: today is April Fool's Day, and while plenty of stories around the web shouldn't be taken seriously, these LG G7 renders are, most likely, based on the real thing. Until now, add-on leaks revealed quite many and quite accurate renders of unannounced smartphones, so we have little to no reasons to doubt the accuracy of this new leak. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.